Road to Recovery and Resilience is a very well thought out series, extremely meaningful, very needed in our community. Each presenter, I would say, was extremely thorough, very charming, and very positive. Each one of us community members felt nourished in every sense of the word by each and every session that was presented. Thank you so much, Team Malton Women Council, for bringing such wonderful, meaningful sessions right into the homes of our community members. Wonderful work.
Don't wait for that perfect moment. Take the moment and make it perfect, right? कब से हम लोग सुन रहे हैं चीज, and that basically is mindfulness, right?
Usually what can happen is they've got more than one, and each of them usually plays a different role. So usually there's a very angry one that's, can be very violent and very combative, and then there's usually one that reverts them to childhood, that they act like a child and it's usually the age where the trauma occurred.
ये जो आपने सारे strong points दिए, मैं चाहूंगी सब ये note down करें, क्योंकि ये वाली जो risk factor की चीज है ना, ये अगेन ये सबके लिए नोट डाउन करने के लिए इसलिए क्योंकि ये एक की है, ये भी एक वन ऑफ द बेस्ट जो है वो की है आपकी बिल्ड करने के लिए, बाउंड्रीज के लिए. तो मैं आपसे ये पूछूंगी कि आप क्या फील करती हैं कि कोई एक ऐसी वीकनेस जो आप अक्सर इतना मेंटेन नहीं कर पाती हैं और उससे आपके आउटकम से होते हैं वो डिजायरेबल नहीं होते या आप चाहती हैं कि मैं अवॉइड करूं, वो क्या है?
All of this would be useless if we are not able to manage it well. So if we respond to somebody's emotional outburst without thinking, without really, we just get triggered, and we don't really become aware of what we felt when that person gave an emotional outburst or what really happened. We just mindlessly act on it. We will not get the desired result.
Instant charger या watching movies या drama या wellness cafe एक हमारा होता है जो हर 15 दिन पे उसका एक session होता है, तो वो भी एक instant charger और मुझे sometimes वो me time की category में मैं उसको रखती हूँ.
And I'm going to read it out to you. The unsaid truth of life. People don't change when you give them an option. They change when they realize that there is no option.
For example, like when we talked about isolating ourselves because having a relationship was really scary. So, and we want to avoid possible pain again. What it's costing us is like we end up spending more time alone. We end up feeling depressed. We end up being disconnected from people. So we're not really a part of what's going on, whether it's with family and friends.
और अगेन जैसे मैं हमेशा सेशन में कहती हूँ कि इस सेशन के बाद जाके एक या दो लोगों के साथ ज़रूर शेयर करना कि एक तो मेंटल हेल्थ क्या है, ज़हनी सेहत है, अलग चीज़ है, मेंटल इलनेस बीमारी हो सकती है, और हमें जजमेंटल नहीं होना, ये भी कि अगर कोई मेंटल का नाम ले तो भागना नहीं है वहाँ से, और ना ये सोचना है कि ये जो हम पागलपन की बात करें. ठीक.
3 questions on the floor for you all in the group where I requested you to ponder upon which sessions we were impressed with most during the past year, and what do we gain from them? How do we remember those sessions? कुछ चीजें ऐसी हैं जो हमारे ऊपर अमर छाप छोड़ जाती हैं, तो किस ढंग से हम उनको याद कर रहे हैं, कितना याद कर रहे हैं, क्यों याद करें?
I recently attended a Malton Women Council Road to Resilience program. It was very beneficial and it was very informative. I learned a lot about confidence, about peer support, about resilience, and about many different things. So it's a great program, and I hope I will be able to attend more sessions like this. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Malton Women Council. ये जो सीरीज थी वर्कशॉप की, रोड टू रिकवरी, रिबिल्डिंग एंड रिजिलियंस वर्कशॉप सीरीज, इट वाज अमेजिंग. आई लर्न लॉट्स ऑफ न्यू थिंग्स, टेक्निक्स, द वे दे गाइड अस, इट वाज अमेजिंग. बहुत ही ईजी और बहुत ही अच्छी आसान ज़बान में उन्होंने हमें एक्सप्लेन किया. अमेजिंग. वेल डन MWC, वेल डन. थैंक यू.
It's been an amazing experience to be a part of this workshop series. I learned a lot and I grew a lot. I knew I need to change, but I don't know what to change and I don't know how to change. So these workshops were specifically designed in a way with the experts in their subject matter expertise who were like really awesome. I thought I knew everything, but when I joined these workshops, I came to know I know nothing, and there's so much to learn from these amazing facilitators.
Very moved by the efforts of each one of the members of Team MWC, and thank you so much once again.